Hello students, welcome to another class. We are going to be looking at algebra today. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters to represent numbers, or we use symbols to represent numbers. So we're going to be looking at examples today to show how we can use letters to represent symbols and how we can use symbols to represent letters. As an example, I have a box plus a number equal to 11. What number will be here that we're going to add to 10 that will give us 11? That is 1, of course. But what if we use letter to represent what is here? So this becomes, let's say we are using letter x. Letter x plus 10 is equal to 11. So we know that the number here is going to be 1, but we are representing the number, the exact number there, with a letter x. That is what algebra is all about. Now we can have it in words, word problems that you can use letters to represent a variable. A variable is the number we're talking about, or that number represents the letter. That is what algebra is all about, the use of symbols or letters to represent that. So let's look at some word problems to represent that. I have 10 naira. I give 2 naira to Bola. How much do I have left? If x naira is given to Bola, how much do I have left? The solution to this is thus. I have 10 naira. I give 2 naira to Bola. That is minus 2 naira to Bola. Definitely my answer here is 8 naira. Now the same question says, if x naira is given to Bola, how much do I have left? Now I have 10 naira. I'm giving out x naira to Bola. So how much do I have left? It's the same as in the first instance where I subtracted 2 from 10. So in this case now, I have how much left? I have 10 naira minus what? Minus x. That would be my answer. So if I have 10 naira and I take away 2 naira, I have 8 naira. And when I take away x naira from the same amount, I have 10 minus x naira. Now, let's show this with another example. A man is 24 years old. How old will he be in 10 years' time? Question 1. How old is he in y years' time? The solution is as follows. The man is 24 years old now. So in 10 years, he is going to be 24 plus 10 years. And that will give us what? 34 years old. So in 10 years time, the man is going to be what? 34 years old. He was previously 24, so we have additional 10 years to his present age. That is 34 years old. Now the question says, how old is he in y years time? The age of the man initially is 24, so in y years time, using symbols now, a letter to represent this, is going to be what? 24 plus what? Plus y. Don't forget, it is the years that we are looking at. So the man is going to be 24 plus y years old in y years time. Now let's go back to the previous example and try to figure out what we are saying under algebra here. You can see in example 1 that x naira represents a particular number. And in example 2, y years old represents a particular number. That is what algebra is all about. We use letters to represent general numbers. In the next class, we are going to learn how to simplify. That is how to break down letters, numbers by grouping. See you in the next class.